I'm at the point now where I think, well, what kind of expression can I give her? Because that's where we're at. She's going to be the sister to this one holding her hands out, so I definitely want her to have a more pleasant look, like she's smiling. So how we get the look is we're going to put our fingers on either side of her cheeks, right here. Gently, gently, and you can see it starting to happen as you push. You can see that the tissue under her eyes are starting to come up and everything. So do it carefully. But what happens when you smile, your whole face doesn't just go like a cartoon. It actually pulls back. Your face actually pulls back. The muscles in your face pull back. So keep that in mind. We want the cheeks to move up, but also back.
So you didn't touch the mouth at all?
Not yet. Gonna in a
Wow, but
second.
look how smiley she is already.
Yes.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.